You can build this with just one prompt. Let me show you. In Excel, open up the Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is the Edit with Copilot brand new experience. First, I want to add some context, so I hit this little plus here. I can add my work content, which could be SharePoint, OneDrive, or Exchange, or I can simply just upload these files. Here I have 3 yearly reports. Those are in Danish, and I want to present this to an English audience, for example, you. So here I will add to the prompt, create a new worksheet with a professional financial dashboard in English only, based on my dataset. Convert all monetary values to US dollars, and then I tell it to beautify, make visualizations and such. And let me show you something amazing. Microsoft also allows you to switch between the foundation models, such as the GPT 5.2 from OpenAI and Claude Opus 4.5 from Anthropic. These don't just generate answers, they can reflect, refine, and even correct themselves. And this little green shield here. Copilot operates within your Microsoft 365 tenant. It respects your existing data access controls, compliance policy, and data boundaries. That's why you want to use Microsoft Copilot. I can start it. So now we click Start, and you will see that Copilot generates the dashboard here. I think it's very satisfying to look at. We can even see the reasoning model corrects itself here and there, and it will also expand column sizes, so your dashboard will be very beautiful. For now, let's fast forward a little bit, and here we have the first version of the dashboard. Let me zoom a little bit in. We can see that it creates a header. We have the exchange rate here, so it found the current exchange rate. We have the raw data in Danish kroners, and here we can see that it transferred those to US dollars as I told it. It did some calculations, for example, a 3-year CAGR. I'm not even sure what that means. We have some key insights here: strong revenue growth, asset expansion, the likes. I can scroll down, I can look at all these different calculations, and those are dynamic. So that is great. It's not just raw numbers. Here I can see that I have the visualizations. This one looks a little bit boring, and that's the beauty of Copilot 365. Let me enlarge it a bit. I can choose to edit it. I can edit anything with this sidebar. So over here I click Done. Let's say I want to edit. I simply just go over here, and then I can prompt improve the profitability ratio chart. Let me send it, so that differences between the metrics are clearly visible. Use appropriate scaling chart types or layout adjustments to enhance readability. Because right now, because of scaling, it looks a little bit, it could be better at least. So let's speed up. And now it corrected this and beautified the chart. We can even ask it to, let me show you the entire thing here, which is good, but we can ask it to improve the design. It looks like this. So I just go here and say done, and I can say beautify dashboard so it looks beautiful and professional, something like this. And look at all this, pretty amazing.